Hello.
Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about the reverse problem. And here my first function, reverse a. This function is for reversing a word and return it. So first of all, I loop through the word a and add the word, and add that character to the variable word in this by this formula, and eventually return the word. And my second function, uh, ravage word, which has one parameter sentence. This function is for returning a sentence reversely with a period at the end if the original sentence uh, has a period at the end, or without the period if the original sentence doesn't have a period. So I create two variables, dot sentence one, and set it to non-character. The dot variable is responsible for uh, holding the dot character if the sentence has a period. Uh, so if the sentence doesn't have a period, the dot variable will be nothing. Um, and the variable sentence one is responsible for um, holding the new sentence, which is the which is a sentence that is composed of reversed word. And here I use the if statement to check if the last character of the sentence is a dot or not, and if it is a dot, the variable dot will be updated to have one element, which is the character dot. And in addition, the variable sentence will be updated, and it only has the sentence now we only have from the first character to the second to last character, which means it doesn't have the period at the end. And here I update the sentence variable by using the split method. So by now the variable sentence is a list, and here I create a variable state and set its value to 0. So in my so I create this variable for flow controlling. So it will do so that the for loop statement will do as that planned. And here I go through all of the elements of the sentence, which is a list. And firstly, because the value of the variable state is 0, the sentence will be updated by this formula, and the state will be increased by 1 value. And from then on, the sentence 1 will be updated by this value. I use this one method to avoid the blank at either the beginning of the sentence or the end of the sentence, because eventually I want to add a dot at the end of the word, So I don't want blank at the end because is um, it will be between the dot and the last word, so it's not correct. And here I created a sample, so I'm going to run it. And here is the result. En capital O S I T O N O W T dot. So I'm going to change this a little bit. Yeah, it works. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a nice day.